Welcome to SensaMarket, all-in-one trading platform that puts powerful tools and insights right at your fingertips. Let's dive into what makes SensaMarket the essential choice for traders and investors. Stay informed with real-time stock price, heat map, curated news, and market stats showing you market trends at a glance. Options strategies. Over 100 pre-built strategies. Want to trade options? We're the first to offer over 100 pre-built option strategies. Pick a strategy, choose your company, and easily adjust strike prices in calls or puts. Change any configuration and instantly see your profit and loss potential in real time. View key details like break-even, entry price, max loss, and more. Not comfortable with this strategy? Explore over 100 others right here in the left panel. It's as easy as learn, strategize, and trade all in one place. Need insights fast? Ask our Deep Search AI. It reads live market data, sentiment, and historical trends to suggest optimal strategies like the best bullish play or quick gains for zero-day trades. Our real-time chains module lets you dive into calls and puts, build strategies directly, and see every detail at a glance. Perfect for quickly creating call or put strategies that match your goals. Options flow, real-time data from institutional players. Ever wonder what the big players are doing? Our Options Flow feature shows you real-time institutional and hedge fund activity, so you can follow smart money and understand market shifts with clear summaries of bullish or bearish trends. Institutional holdings. Insights from 13F filings. See what institutional investors are buying and selling with 13F filings. Access thousands of portfolios. Compare quarterly changes, and track the long-term moves of the largest funds. Gain insights that help you trade with the same knowledge as top investors. Curious about political trades? See their trading activity, portfolio trends, and even their net worth over time. Set alerts or copy their moves. It's a unique way to stay informed on political market sentiment. Track insider trades to see how executives and board members are moving within their own companies. Insider buying or selling can provide powerful signals, helping you trade with the confidence of those in the know. Connect with brokers like Tradier and TradeStation to trade directly through SensaMarket and earn cash rewards for qualified accounts. It's a seamless, efficient trading experience. Join SensaMarket today. SensaMarket brings all these powerful features together to help you trade smarter. Ready to elevate your trading experience? Join us today at SensaMarket and unlock the tools trusted by thousands of traders.